ancestral. Speak to the doublet spin. This your ancestral door. Make we always win. Jah wisdom echo from the root to the crown. Roots reggae rise, turn the world around. No more forget the past, the elders are guide. Babylon the racist tribe, but we not abide. Herb connect with to the lineage strong. Rasta memory lip sing the freedom song. Ancestral echo. Ancestral echo. Make the past alive, make the future bright. No more lost identity, claim the birthright. One blood, one root in the pure light. Ancestral echo. Oh, and now the forefathers and now the mothers too. Live the tradition, make it new for you. Pass the torch of knowledge, never let it fade. In this your liberty, we are the upgrade. Yes, we select to make the rhythm echo, echo. Make the sound travel back through time we keep. Ganja are the bridge to the spirit realm. Rasta man a call, ancestors at the helm. Echo on, echo on. I returns. Ancestral echo. Ancestral echo. Make the past alive, make the future bright. No more lost identity, claim the birthright. One blood, one root in the pure light. Ancestral echo. Ta, ta. Rastafari. Ancestral. One love, one lineage. Forever. We rock and stand through the hurricane blow. This year stand strong though. Let the whole world know. Jah foundation first. Never shake or sway. Roots reggae anchor. Show we the way. When the wind a howl and the flood arise, Babylon skin colors before we eyes. Herb a root we deep, make we trunk stay thick. Rasta spirit solid, no more fragile brick. Stand strong though. Let the lion chest swell, the backbone straight. No more bow the head to the system hate. One solid stand still, the righteous faith. Stand strong though. Oh, oh. grace and truth, no sunfish if belief it tip, make the soul uplift, teach the youth fi hold when the pressure pays. In a this ya reggae sound we pass the bass. Yeah, yes me selector make the rhythm a stand like stone, make the echo thunder reach the youth them alone. Ganja fortify the will, keep it all and true. Rasta man a roast and strong, me brethren break through.
Hold the line, hold the line.
Irie fortress,
Stand strong though.
let the lion chest swell, the backbone straight.
No more body head to the system, hey.
One solid stance till the righteous fade.
Stand strong though.
Ja, Rastafari.
Stand strong.
One love, one foundation, forever. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la la la. Oh. Inside the temple made of sound, where no walls can hold it down. Bassline hum like sacred chant. Life is more than what we want. Every echo in the space, with a slow and timeless grace. Dub-wise whispers calm and deep, wake the soul from restless sleep. Footsteps fade into the groove, every motion starts to move. There is more than meets the eye, truth no system can deny. Babylon dissolve away when the righteous start to play. In the temple we are free, boundless as eternity. Rise slow in spiral form, shelter from the outer storm. Jah is present stretch the seconds long, turning pain into a song. Healing comes without a word, only felt and never heard. Let the bass line guide your soul. Let the broken become whole. No more running from the past. In this moment we are vast. Dub meditation, hold you tight. Lead you gently to the light. Through the darkness, through the flame. Always calling Jah Jah name. When you leave this sacred place, still you carry inner grace. Temple lives within your mind, always present, always kind. Roots and earth forever stay, even when they fade away. In the silence you will find peace that lives inside. Whoa, yeah, nah, nah. Whoa, yeah, nah, nah, nah. Close your eyes and drift away. Let the rhythm lead the way. Sacred bass begins to flow through the places we don't know. The voice echoes soft and wide, like the ocean's endless tide. Every pulse a healing wave, freeing minds we thought enslaved. In the stillness find the sound, where the truest self is found. No more rushing, no more fear, only presence living here. Babylon noise fades to gray, compilation take control. Heal the body, heal the soul. Without an end. Distant thunder roll. Echo drift through time and space, touching every hidden place.
Noble voice sound like sacred wind. Wash away the of sin. In the silence, hear the truth, speaking softly to the youth.
Taste now, open ancient door, like we never knew before. Every drop of sound so wise, reflect deep within the eyes.
Babylon tried to steal the flame, but we never play that game. Roots connection hold us tight, guided by eternal light.
Through the echo we can see what we were and what we be, past and future intertwined in the rhythm so divine.
No illusion can remain
When we break the mental chain, pure vibration fill the soul, making broken pieces whole.
inside of you.
Jah breath a blow through the ancient trees, rootical set the spirit free. See the lights are blind, but we not lose the sight. Babylon a sink, we a climb to the height. Every step we take, faith a guide defeat. Rasta live it is strong, victory sweet. Higher ground. Higher ground. Whoa. Rise above the star, make the eagle fly. No more vibration, only blue sky. Unity, the ladder, reach the most high. Higher ground. Live clean in the earth, the battle are won. Teach the young ones wisdom, pass the torch of light. In this a reggae dub, we own the night. Yes, selector make the rhythm climb. Echoes capitalize, stars across the midnight sky. Ganja be the fuel, keep we engine a run. Rasta shout it out, we are reach the sun, a reach elevation. Let the rhythm lead the way. Sacred bass begin to flow through the places we don't know. The voice echoes soft and wide, like the ocean's endless tide. Every pulse a healing way, freeing minds we thought stay. In the stillness find the sound, where the truest self is found. No more rushing, no more fear, only presence living here. Babylon noise fade to gray as the dub begin to play. Simple truth within the tone, you were never alone, beginning without an end. Breathing slow with every beat, feel the earth beneath your feet. walking through the desert sand, guided by an unseen hand. This light echoed through the night, leading souls toward the light. Every step a story told of the brave and of the bold. Noble winds across the land, writing truth we understand. Exodus from fear and pain, breaking every mental chain. Babylon behind we leave, in the truth we now believe. Oh, smoke and fire light the way, through the dark into the day. Every heartbeat like a drum, telling what we must become. Still we answer to the call. From the depths of history to a new reality, roots connection holds us tight. Even in the longest night, Jah Jah guide the chosen few on a path forever true. No more lies to cloud the sight. We can see within the light. The vibration cleans the soul. and me. Floating on a cosmic wave, past the limits we once gave. Baseline travel through the stars, healing all invisible scars. Dubwise echoes spin around in a never-ending sound. Universe begin to breathe as we learn to just release. Frequency align the soul, making shattered pieces whole. Every tone a beam of light, guiding through eternal night. Babylon fading to dust when we learn the truth and trust. Nothing real can be destroyed. In this space we fill the void. Stars reflect within the mind, showing what we left behind. No more fear and no more doubt, only truth is moving out. Reverb stretch across the sky like a never-ending cry, calling all to recognize the power hidden in our lives. Dub connection pure and deep, guiding dreams while we sleep. In the silence we receive everything we dare conceive. Jam presence in the flow, in the things we do not know. Still it guides us everywhere, even when we lose the way. Cosmic love will never end, circle turning once again. From the stars back to the ground, life is moving through the sound. Beyond all time, oh da da na na. Rebel sound begin to rise, climb the height, guided by Jaja light. No more fear to hold us down. We know where the wicked crown. Babylon system lose control. When the rhythm free the soul, every beat a revolution. Sound becomes the evolution. Dun, 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 fill the air, voices chanting everywhere, from the ghettos to the hill. Truth is stronger than the pill. Reverb carry every cry, lift it up into the sky. In the dub we find a way, through the darkness into day. Lion heart we never fall, even when the nights are cold. Roots foundation keep us strong, in the power of the song. Dub ascension take us far, past the mind, beyond the star. Every echo break the chain, wash away the hidden pain. Beyond all time, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na. Signal rise from the underground, ancient pulse within the sound. Baseline traveled far and wide, like a truth we cannot hide. Through the wires and through the air, Jaja presence everywhere. Dub wise echo bending time, speaking truth without a rhyme. From the site to satellite, we transmit the righteous light. No corruption in the code, only truth within the load. Babylon try block the way, Oh yeah, the star a shine. The star a shine. The star a shine. The star a shine. Bright in the dark sky. This your guiding dove. Never let we go awry. Just like a light through the wilderness, roots people follow to the happiness. Babylon are confused with them flashing lights, but the true star a call us through the night. Herb clarify the vision, sharpening up the sight. Rastafari strictly what is pure and right. Guiding star, lead we through the storm, lead we through the sea. Show the righteous path to the land of free. One direction forward, full of dignity. Guiding star, no more wanderlust like sheep without shepherd. Just star up on the way, make we all feel glad. Build the future bright with love and with respect. In this year, live it, we never regret. Yes, me select and make the rhythm follow the star. Let the echo travel far, touch every show. Ganja at the compass point, we do not trust. Rasta man a sing, follow the guiding torch. Forward, forward, hiring navigation. Guiding star, lead way through the storm, lead way through the sea. Jah foundation first, never shake or sway. Roots reggae anchor, show we the way.
When the wind a howl and the flood arise, Babylon skin colors before we eyes. Herb a root we deep, make we trunk stay thick. Rasta spirit solid, no more fragile brick. Stand strong though.
Let the lion chest swell, the backbone straight. No more body head to the system hate. One solid stand still, the righteous faith.
Stand strong though.
Build the house on truth, no sign fi shift. If the leaf it tip, make the soul uplift. Teach the youth fi hold when the pressure takes. Inna this a reggae sound we pass the bass. Yes, me selector make the rhythm a stand like stone. Make the echo thunder reach the youth them alone. Ganja fortify the will, keep it tall and true. Rasta man a roast and strong. Me brethren break through.
Hold the line, hold the line, are your fortress. Stand strong though.
Let the lion chest swell, the backbone straight. No more body head to the system hate. One solid stand still, the righteous faith.
Stand strong though.
Rastafari,
Stand strong though.
one love, one foundation.
Forever.
Beyond all time. Oh, da, 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 da. Rebel sound begin to rise, breaking through the silent sky. Baseline thunder rolls so deep. Wake the ones who still asleep. Dubwise echo twist and turn. In the fire we all must learn. Truth is not the thing to buy. It's a flame that never dies. Step by step we climb the height, guided by Jaja light. No a guiding dove. Never let we go awry. Just like a light through the wilderness, roots people follow to the happiness. Babylon are confused